Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at number 5 on the Calc BC free response questions from 2019. So right off the bat, they're telling us to consider a family of functions f of x equals 1 over x squared minus 2x plus k, where k is a constant. All right, I can do that. Let's go to part A. Find the value of k for k is greater than 0 such that the slope of the line tangent to the graph, the line tangent to the graph sound like Salcon, of f at x equals 0 equals 6. All right, so the line tangent to the graph, that's going to clue you in on dy over dx. Oh yeah, it's a derivative. Whoop-de-doo. Okay, so we're looking at f prime of x. And let's do some simple stuff. And I could do this the quotient rule, but that'd be kind of rarded. Um, may or may not have done that on the AP and then discovered that it was rarded kind of later. But in reality, we should just say this is going to be x squared minus 2x plus k, all to the negative 1 power. All right, and then if we take, well, that's just f of x actually. I don't know why the prime is there. So if you're looking for f prime of x, then we're going to say, all right, well, we will do chain rule. So first we've got x squared minus 2x plus k to the negative 2 power, and then we're going to multiply by the inner piece. Well, first you got to put this negative sign out here because it's negative 1 times that, or it's to the negative 1 power. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so the inner piece looks like it's going to be approximately 2x minus 2. And then, yeah, I'll just leave it like that. I don't really care. And we're looking for k such that this whole thing equals 6. So let's set that equal to 6. You know what? I can do it now. So negative 2x plus 2 over x squared minus 2x plus k squared equals 6. All right, so x equals 0. That could be useful. Looks like we're going to get 2 over 6 equals k squared. So k equals rad 1/3. Yay, okay. Time for B. For k equals negative 8, find the value of integral from 0 to 1 of f of x dx. All right, so k equals negative 8. I'm just going to go like this, 0 to 1 of x squared minus 2x plus, whoops, that's supposed to be a minus sign, minus 8 to the negative 1 dx. And if you thought that I was actually going to do this without my calculator, you were sorely mistaken. All right. Now, let's see. I'll just do it. No, it's been a long day. And it's x squared minus 2x minus 8. And that's dx. Okay, negative 26 thirds. Sick. Let me write that down. Alright, now time for part C. For k equals 1, find the value of 0 to 2, integral from 0 to 2 f of x dx, or show that it diverges. Alright, so now they're kind of being assholes, right? So basically what they want you to do is say, oh, well, I'll just do the integral. And then realize that in fact you can't do the integral because at k equals 1, they're being real pricks here, honestly. Minus 2x plus 1, well, this gets factored into x minus 1 squared. right? Just a quick reverse FOIL there. So basically, yeah, basically they're kind of being pricks about it. So at x equals 1, you're going to get undefined, right? Oh no, I don't want it undefined. Well, looks like we'll just have to do some dumb shit. Okay, so this is going to be equal to the integral from 0 to 1 of x squared, whoops, plus again, minus 2x plus 1 v negative 1 plus the integral from 1 to 2 of x squared minus 2x plus 1 to negative 1. Oh, I forgot to put the dx's there. Huh? Who really cares? And also, if you think I'm doing this dumbass thing where you go like, oh, limit as a approaches 1 from the minus direction of this integral from 0 to a of whatever, you're sorely mistaken, because I think that is kind of for rarts. And I don't care if College Board takes off for that on my test, because you know what? Screw you, College Board. That's a really dumb thing to make kids do. I think it just doesn't make any sense. All right, so back to what we were doing. Got some stuff. And you know what? I guess because I think in the end splitter you can't say like 1 plus and 1 minus. Or no, you can't say that. Yeah, you can't do that in integrals. So what we're gonna have to do is actually use the limit thing. At least I don't have to write it down, because that really ticks me off. So limit as a approaches 1 from the negative direction of this dumbass integral 0 to a of 1 over, yeah, I'll just write it like that, x minus 1 squared dx, and it's plus this other limit as b approaches 1 from the positive direction of this, too bad we can't copy and paste, again with, oh shit, again with a dumb proprietary software. Oh, whoops, should have put b there. B to 2 of same fraction 1 over x minus 1 squared dx. Oh, look, it diverges. Would you look at that? All that work for nothing. Unless I typed it in wrong, in which case I don't care. Diverges, oh, too bad. Let's make this a little bit bigger so we can actually see it. Oh yeah, oh yeah, it diverges. That's pretty hot. All right, well, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something, although I don't really care. Actually, you know what? I do care. Sorry, I'm sorry, I do care. Yep, and see you next video.